Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to be talking about TikTok Shop. For 2024, this is probably the best way to dropship now, by far. People don't realize, obviously a year back, 2 years ago, people used to make TikToks and then put their Shopify store, the link in bio. That used to work like crazy. I used to make 50k a day, from that, and it was insane, high profit margins. But now guys, TikTok Shop is taking over. It's the best way right now to get high conversion rates. Why is it so good? Because it's just so quick to buy. It just takes 2 or 3 seconds. A video comes up, the little TikTok tab, you've probably seen those TikTok shop tabs come up, click it and boom, 2 or 3 seconds they buy straight away. So guys, TikTok is pushing those videos way more than normal videos, because obviously TikTok makes commission off of every purchase that we make off TikTok Shop. And for obviously drop shippers, we want to get into something that's quite new. This TikTok Shop thing is so new at the moment. No one's, like, obviously a few thousand people are doing this right now, but like right now I don't see anyone else doing this. A lot of these big dropshippers don't do this stuff right now. So guys, get into it now. It is a gold mine. Don't miss out. A lot of people don't realize how we get rich, how I get rich is because I take opportunities at the right time. Obviously a lot of people get sad about not investing in Bitcoin years back. This is the time to invest your time and energy into TikTok Shop. You'll realize later how crazy it actually is. So guys, watch the video. I'm going to help you set up the whole TikTok Shop from scratch, and I'll pretty much tell you guidance wise what I do personally, what needs to be done to allow you to succeed in TikTok Shop. And yeah guys, let's go. Also guys, don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. We got probably one of the best dropshipping communities out there to help succeed with results just like these I'm going to show you right now. You got one-to-one support with me 24/7. You got pretty much all the glitch scaling strategies on TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, because a lot of people don't realize dropshipping is very, very difficult. You need the right people with you to help you succeed, and this community is by far one of the best it's been. And guys, check below. It's only $10 to join. So search up TikTok Shop on Google, and this is the link. You just got to click. It's very, very easy to do. You just got to sign up, and all you have to do is press the seller center. That's the one you want. Now if you're from the US, you're from the UK, this is where, obviously from the UK you want to do Europe seller, from the USA get the North American seller. I'm obviously from the UK, so I picked this. And once you press enter, they're going to ask you a few details from you. They're going to see, are you like a sole trader, what business you have, and just fill in the details. It does not matter too much, but obviously the stuff you add in it's got to be the same as it is on your ID card, because there's a page that's going to come up. It's going to ask you for your passport, and yeah, you just got to fill that in. And once that, then also what they're going to do is they're going to ask you for your photo ID. They're going to take a picture of your face and see if it's the same as your passport. And yeah, that's what I did, and pretty much within a few hours I got verified by TikTok Shop. And yeah, because I already done it, I don't need to go through this right now, but yeah, that's the whole process of this part. So they're going to check your ID, they're going to check your face, and they're going to check out if you're actually a verified person. But yeah, let's go to the dashboard on TikTok Shop. Once you have a verified TikTok Shop, within 24 to 48 hours you're going to get an email to say if you actually been verified. I've had people that have not been verified by TikTok Shop. Do not worry. I found out that if you actually retry the verification process at least 2 or 3 times, you will get the TikTok Shop verified. So guys, sometimes people have done it the first try. I actually did the first try and it worked. So guys, if you have not, try it again. Do not worry. Now, the first thing you got to do when you're on TikTok Shop is obviously get a product listed on your TikTok Shop. And you have for example, if you have a drop shipping product from your supplier or whatever you want to list it on, this is where you got to go. So if you go to manage products in the section right here, you got to add a new product. Now what I found is, obviously TikTok Shop, they don't like drop shippers too much, so it's better to have the products that you obviously want to drop ship, get it to your house, right? Get some inventory into your house. It's just better, right? So guys, that's what I usually do. I have a lot of these products in my home and I pretty much ship it from my house. A lot of people drop ship it from China. It just doesn't do as well. So guys, have some products at home. Inventory wise, it will just do better for you, and TikTok will not give you any hassle later on when you're obviously selling loads of these. So yeah, once you have a product, that's all you have to do is pretty much add new product over here. and you just go onto this page right now, and it's very simple to do. You can pretty much just call the name whatever of the product, blah blah blah, put the images right here, put the video, put the description. It's like it's like a Shopify store you're pretty much setting up. And yeah, nothing too, anything difficult over here that you need to do. Just pretty much set up the product of the dropship product you want to sell, and put it at a very low price, something that's quite admirable for a lot of people. When they obviously on TikTok, they want to see something cheap, and a lot of people realize it just does better for them at the moment. For me, it's just doing better when I'm having at least £20 or lower prices. If you're only getting 1 or 2 profit out of it, do not worry, guys. I'll show you how good it actually is, because the conversion rate is so crazy. Price it as low as possible. That's one of my tricks I'm going to tell you. And yeah, so submit for review, and your product will be reviewed up, but probably within a day it will get it reviewed and probably verified for you to pretty much have it on your TikTok. Now, last thing, you pretty much what you have to do is get the shipping rates done. And for the shipping rates, you go to the shipping over here, manage shipping options, and you can pretty much set up a shipping over here, manage shipping fee template. As for this, what I realized is if you actually have a fee, your conversion rate drops. So have a free shipping method for the TikTok shop. It will just do way better for you guys. My conversion rate has been much better when I have free shipping. So guys, when you're doing shipping rates, put it free and price it as low as possible, your product selling price. So yeah, one that's very important. And yeah, just sell it, free shipping, boom, very important. Now, another thing I gotta tell you now, once you ship the product, you got to be putting your tracking numbers on here as soon as possible. Once it's shipped, within 1 or 2 days, obviously after the customer pays, because TikTok they're gonna check you if you actually have the right tracking numbers. If you don't, they're not gonna give you your money. It's very important that you put the right tracking numbers. Your supplier from China, or you obviously shipping from your post office, you got to be having the right tracking numbers. It's very important. If you don't, they're not gonna give you your money. And now another thing, if for example you have your first order from TikTok shop, you're gonna get your payout after 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, you're not gonna get your payout. Why? Because they want to know that you're a legit business. They want to know that you're actually shipping out the orders. So this is very important, guys. You want to actually, you want to be on top of your game within the first 2 weeks. You're gonna be shipping these products out as soon as possible to let TikTok know that you're a legit business and not get no disputes. I have had a few disputes now. Sometimes a lot of people had the product and they start saying they didn't get the products. Obviously, you get loads of people like that. Now, the sad part of TikTok shop is if people do disputes and you lose a dispute, they can take money out of your bank account, right? This is bad, right? I know this is really probably it's probably getting scared of this now, but like, yeah, this is they can take money out of your account. And yeah, this is probably, that's why you need to be on top of your game. This is not a joke. You got to be on top of your game with the shipping tracking numbers once the orders start coming in. So yeah, guys, very important with the shipping. Be on point. All right, guys, now obviously to link your TikTok account is over here. Link TikTok accounts on the left, and you can pretty much link a TikTok account very easily. Just put your details of your TikTok organic account, boom, it'll be connected. The product, you can pretty much set up a new TikTok account of the product brand that you pretty much run in. You can then link it to your TikTok shop. So have that ready. So if you have a TikTok shop, if you have a few thousand followers already, good for that brand, set it up, just connect it. Now the problem is with this, you can only link one TikTok account to this one TikTok shop. So remember, guys, one TikTok shop, one TikTok account. Now the thing is as well, you can only link and unlink TikTok accounts 3 times max. That's what I found. Linking, just basically link your TikTok shop to the right TikTok account. If you're not, there's gonna be a problem later on. But yeah, that's another thing you gotta do. Now once that is done, what's gonna happen is on this TikTok account that you've connected, go on your TikTok account. What's gonna happen is if you'll have a shop, like TikTok shop banner come up like in the middle, and your product will appear there. Now it's really cool. Now what you can do there's 2 ways of promoting your TikTok shop products. This is what I do. Number 1 is making TikToks on TikTok organic, like making videos organically. You probably seen loads of videos come up of people with there's a little banner that comes up on the bottom right, and people click in and TikTok shop appears. So yeah, you can make TikToks of the product yourself. Instead of them directing them to your Shopify store, now you can direct them to your TikTok shop. This is by far the best way. Second way that I do 90% of the time, now I don't even make my own TikToks, I use influencers to promote my products. And this is what you need to do, and this is how it's helping me scale to next level numbers. And how to do this, you just pretty much go to here, go to affiliate marketing, go find creators, and this is probably the easiest way to find influencers to promote your products. And all they get is like obviously a percentage affiliate from the product that they sell, and all they get is obviously the free product. You deliver a product to them, that's what they get, and then they don't get, most of them don't require any promo fees. So this is one of the best ways where they get the free product. You can just pretty much deliver the product to them and they get 20%, 30% affiliate off all the orders that come through when they make the TikTok of your product. So yeah, now if for example you have a clothing product, okay, so what you have to do is pretty much filter down the search bar to fashion, for example, and yeah, just pretty much scale it, you know, filter it down to the right people you want, what age followers. I always do 50 to 100,000. Those are just doing better for me. And you can pretty much then by one check them out. Who are they? Are they making good videos? Are they, you think the product that they will promote, will it suit you well for your brand? And yeah, I pretty much check every single one of these out properly. You know, I don't want people who are not making proper videos, not getting proper views. Are their audience correct? They're females, males, are they, you know, compliant with the product that I'm trying to sell? And you can pretty much click this TikTok logo here and see, you know, their TikTok account, and you want to know exactly the kind of videos that they're making. So guys, once that is done, and you can pretty much, what you can do is press invite here. It's very easy how to invite them to pretty much promote your product. All you got to do is press add product, and then pretty much then create an invitation for this product, and just give them a little message, show them the product video, give them your phone number, give them the email address, and yeah, boom. I pretty much send like hundreds of these every single day, and probably like 10 or 20 of them accept it. So guys, it's really cool. I don't need to any of the way. These guys promote it for me, these products. And guys, it's crazy. You don't realize how much money is actually being made from this. Now, for example, if I had one video, I did TikTok shop, woman pretty much promoted one of my clothing products, and it got like 100k views. It accumulated around $20,000 in revenue. Now that's not bad. The price is pretty good. The conversion rate is cool, not bad. It's just a woman was just pretty much talking on a camera, right? Pretty much showing the product to her followers, and the TikTok shop pretty much came up on the bottom of the video, and people, all the viewers are pretty much able to click it and boom, buy it. So guys, this is the future of dropshipping. TikTok shop is taking over. I'm just giving you a few tips and guidance to help you go to the right path, and help you really get the initiative to get into this game quickly as possible, because right now this is the gold mine of dropshipping for 2024. And yeah guys, get into it now quick. More videos in the next week or so about TikTok shop. So guys, subscribe. Boom, let's go.